There is a broad selection of AirTag products available, each offering distinct features, advantages, and pricing. To assist you in making a well-informed choice, I conducted thorough research, analyzed numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the most reliable and effective options from reputable brands. These products have proven to be highly beneficial for individuals seeking quality and performance. For detailed information, including pricing, please refer to the description. Without further delay, let us proceed to the video. Number 1. Apple AirTag. The Apple AirTag is a compact, Bluetooth-enabled tracking device designed to help you locate your personal items like keys, wallets, bags, and more. Seamlessly integrated with the Find My app on iPhones, AirTags use ultra-wideband (UWB) technology to provide precise tracking when nearby and a global network of Apple devices when farther away. Each AirTag is small, lightweight, and powered by a replaceable battery that lasts about a year. The precision finding feature, available on iPhone 11 and later, gives visual, audible, and haptic guidance to your lost item. Privacy is also a key aspect. Location data is encrypted, and tracking notifications alert users if an unknown AirTag is moving with them. Apple AirTag, the ultimate item tracker. Always misplacing your keys, wallet, or bag. The Apple AirTag is here to help you keep track of your essentials with ease. This small, lightweight device connects seamlessly to your iPhone or iPad through the Find My app. Using ultra-wideband technology, AirTag provides precise tracking when nearby and taps into Apple's global network when your item is farther away. Lost something? Use precision finding for visual, audible, and haptic guidance, or play a sound on the built-in speaker. Setup is simple. The AirTag's battery lasts about a year and is easily replaceable. Share tracking with up to 5 people, making it perfect for families. Privacy is built in, with encrypted location data and alerts if an unknown AirTag is moving with you. With accessories like key rings and luggage tags, AirTag is the smart, secure way to protect your valuables. Why is this product the best? Number 1 is the best because it is best for seamless integration. Designed by Apple for perfect fit and function. Premium materials like fine woven and leather. Trusted quality, perfect match for iPhone users. Average rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars, 35,239 global ratings. Price only $22.98. That concludes my overview. I regularly create informative and helpful videos, so please consider subscribing to my channel. If you require more information or wish to check the product prices, be sure to explore the description below. Should you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Stay connected with us for updates on innovative products that are designed to make your life significantly easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.